what's going on Brooklyn and beyond. So decided I wanted to get some first person views of me shooting hoop. So here we go. I'm sitting right here, and let's get some shots up. Using the Insta360 Go 2. Hopefully the first one hits the rim. Turn my hat around. All right. The first one missed the whole rim. Okay. More leg. This one's good. Gotta be good. It ain't been that long. Oh, okay, hit the rim. Ooh. Boy, I feel old. You know what? Let me just drop it. Jump. Short. Okay, here we go. That's good. Okay. When you first play, you should just come straight up, shoot the better hoop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First shot. Boom. First try. All right. I think I'm warming up a little bit. I'm about to put on the Insta360 X3 too, but I just want to get a few shots up first. Get the blood flowing. Here we go. Way off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guess I can blame it on the wind if I want to, right? Oh, short. Here we go. Oh, finally. Whew. Now I can go home. I'm joking. All right, Brooklyn salute. All right, here we go. Some more shots. Now I have the Insta360 Go 2 on my hat. There we go. And then release, swish and dish, baby. No dish. I dished it myself. Too far. And who bashed double rims? Not me. That's off. Oh, off the net. It's gonna be my last made shot. If I make it. All right, we out. All right, so yeah, I didn't get my last wish, but I think I am sweating a little bit, and I got some shots in, so I can live with that. Brooklyn salute. Insta360 Go 2 for the POV. I'm out.